A giant ship made of thousands of tons of steel is floating right now. And that should feel impossible. Steel is heavier than water, so why doesn't it just sink straight to the ocean floor? What secret is the ocean hiding that lets something so heavy float? We see ships every day. Cargo ships, cruise ships, naval ships. We never question them. But if you drop a solid block of steel into water, it sinks instantly. So why does a steel ship behave completely differently? It's like expecting a rock to float just because you shaped it like a bowl. Everything starts with density. That means how much mass is packed into a space. Steel is extremely dense, like a suitcase packed with bricks. Water is less dense than steel. And that's why solid steel always loses the floating battle. But ships are not solid blocks. They are mostly empty space filled with air. That changes everything. Think of a balloon versus a stone. A balloon is huge, but light for its size, so it floats. A ship works in a similar way by spreading its weight across a massive volume. Now here is where water becomes interesting. When something enters water, it pushes water aside. This creates an upward force that fights gravity. This is explained by Archimedes' Principle. In simple terms, water pushes back with a force equal to the weight of the water displaced. Here is a surprising fact. A massive cruise ship can weigh over 200,000 tons and still float. That means it must push away even more water than its own weight just to stay up. The ocean is literally holding it up like an invisible hand. So what is really happening here? The ship is not beating physics. It is working with it. Its wide, hollow shape forces it to displace huge amounts of water. That creates enough upward force to balance its weight like a hidden spring under the sea. And this is the real secret. Ships float because they are mostly AIR, not because steel becomes light. The steel is just a frame shaping how water reacts. But the moment water fills the inside, everything changes. The balance breaks, and the ship sinks. This idea changes how we see the ocean entirely. The ocean is not just something you fall into. It is something that responds. It supports objects based on shape and displacement. The same rule lets submarines dive and rise, and even explains how icebergs float with most of their mass hidden below the surface. So a steel ship does not float because it defies physics. It floats because physics is working perfectly in its favor. And now the real question is, what other impossible things around us are just hidden science we have not noticed yet?